What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best metal detectors in 2023. I made this list based on overall performance, build quality, searching accuracy, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a user-friendly model that's perfect for beginners or an advanced option that can accurately locate and detect specific types of metal, we'll have the best metal detector for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off, I have a metal detector that's easy to carry around, surprisingly well made, and can deliver accurate, in-depth information about items you find for a reasonable price. The Garrett AT Pro is my choice as the best metal detector for the money in 2023. The Garrett AT Pro is a surprisingly versatile, all-terrain metal detector that comes with a sturdy, waterproof build, a digital target ID function to help identify specific types of metal, and multiple settings for more accurate tracking. It has a sleek, all-black design that measures roughly 22 by 11 by 5 inches and weighs around 3 pounds, so you should be able to carry it for longer periods without too much fatigue or strain. Despite its reasonably lightweight design, it features solid build quality and comes with up to 10 feet of water resistance, which means you can safely hunt underwater or in the rain. In addition, it features push buttons and an intuitive display that allows you to navigate the interface, toggle through modes, and view a digital target ID to let you know if a target is potentially valuable. You get 2 search modes, which includes a standard mode that's ideal for newer users or casual detecting tasks, and a pro mode that responds to the target type, depth, conductivity, and proximity to provide in-depth information. You also get various sensitivity settings depending on the terrain and in-depth discrimination patterns with each mode, so you can quickly know when you've come across jewelry, all metal objects, or customize your own settings. It doesn't quite offer the high-end performance of the Minelab CTX-3030 I'll mention later, but it can still provide accurate readings up to 11 inches. The Garrett AT Pro might not be the most powerful option on this list, but it does a lot of things well and features an ergonomic design and impressive performance with various sensitivity levels to identify objects with greater accuracy. If you don't want to spend too much, just want a metal detector that can get the job done on casual treasure hunts, this is an excellent choice for you. Next up, I have a lightweight metal detector that comes with intuitive controls, impressive build quality, and solid all-around performance so you can hone your hunting skills. The Nokta Makro Simplex Plus is my choice as the best metal detector for beginners in 2023. Not everyone needs an advanced metal detector, and the Nokta Makro Simplex Plus is a more basic alternative that comes with a waterproof build, optimized performance for various terrains, and beginner-friendly controls. It has a lightweight design with a rubberized handle that allows you to find an ergonomic grip, and it features a forearm rest for added comfort over longer periods. Despite its affordable price, it offers an impressive IP68 water and dust-resistant rating, so you can safely use it up to 3 meters underwater for up to 30 minutes. Unfortunately, it lacks the battery life of higher-end wireless options like the XP Deus II I'll mention later, but it can still provide up to 12 hours of runtime to satisfy less demanding searches. Portable power bank can further extend the battery. Even more, it comes with wireless headphones to hear alerts without being restricted. It features a useful display with several user-friendly features such as intuitive brightness adjustments, object frequency in your area, and an estimated depth readout, which makes it an excellent option for new users. It features several modes to toggle through for optimized readings on specific terrains, including a dedicated beach mode that filters out interference for improved accuracy and a custom mode to detect specific metals. You also get 6 sensitivity settings and a useful pinpointing feature that shows a narrowing bullseye to locate objects quicker. Is the Nokta Makro Simplex Plus going to be the perfect choice for everyone? Well, not quite, as it lacks the advanced search modes found on higher-end models, but it features user-friendly controls and multiple sensitivity settings that let you find various metal objects on a range of terrain with good accuracy. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a metal detector that's affordable and can perform well on most terrain. Most people might be looking for a metal detector that comes with a sturdy build, a wide searching area, and multiple detection modes to deliver accurate in-depth readings. The Minelab Equinox 800 checks these boxes, and it's my choice as the best metal detector for most people in 2023. The Minelab Equinox 800 is an excellent mid-range model that offers multi-frequency technology for improved accuracy, several detection modes, and the ability to customize search profiles to your liking. It has a lightweight waterproof build that only weighs around 3 pounds. It can be submerged in water up to 10 feet, so it's an excellent option for shallower waters or riverbed searching. It has a wireless design that can be used anywhere, and while it lacks the battery life of other competitors, such as the XP Deus II I'll talk about later, it can still provide up to 12 hours of runtime to satisfy most requirements. In addition, it comes with a user-friendly LCD display that provides some important information to interpret results, such as accurate target IDs to filter out waste or non-valuable metals. You get several detection modes to optimize your search results, including dedicated park, field, beach, and gold modes, which makes it an excellent option for almost any user. It also offers 2 customizable search profiles to keep your preferred settings accessible while in use. The double D coil design offers a wide area of search for improved efficiency, and it utilizes multi-IQ technology to increase efficiency and help you locate objects in less time. It also uses multiple frequencies simultaneously to uncover a range of artifacts despite the soil conditions, material, or amount of signal interference and maintain performance on various terrain. The Minelab Equinox 800 is a great all-around metal detector that comes with a sturdy waterproof build, outstanding searching efficiency and various search modes to discriminate between materials and uncover most artifacts regardless of the soil or terrain. If you're looking for a high-quality metal detector that can accurately detect objects, consistently deliver impressive performance, this is a great choice for you. If you're looking for the metal detector that offers the best combination of searching efficiency, ergonomics, all-around tracking performance, the XP Deus II is my choice as the best overall metal detector in 2023. XP's Deus II is likely too complicated for less experienced users, but it's a high-quality, advanced metal detector that comes with top-notch performance on just about any terrain or condition, in-depth frequency controls, and outstanding waterproofing. It has a surprisingly ergonomic design that measures around 22 by 12 by 4 inches, so you should be able to maintain a comfortable grip over time. And it only weighs around 2.8 pounds, which makes it ideal for longer treasure hunting searches. It has a unique wireless design that allows for greater freedom when searching, and the battery can reliably provide around 20 hours of runtime per charge to search for longer periods. Even more, it provides an outstanding IP68 water and dust resistant rating and can safely be submerged up to 60 feet, which is deeper than the Minelab CTX-3030 I'll mention next, and ideal for serious underwater prospectors. It comes with fast multi-frequency technology that can use several frequencies simultaneously or choose from 49 frequency settings for improved efficiency, though it might be too complicated for entry-level users. The 4K Hz 45K Hz operating frequency is thorough enough to detect valuable metals such as gold and offers wide and precise discrimination modes to help you further narrow your search. Even more, it offers accurate target identification and 3 different tones for ferrous, low conductor, and high conductor metals in PWM or square waves to help discern what you found. The XP Deus II is a high-end metal detector that comes with outstanding build quality, accurate target identification to discriminate potentially valuable objects or materials, and a wide operating frequency to help improve your searching efficiency. This is an excellent choice if you want a powerful metal detector that delivers top-tier search results and the ability to scan multiple frequencies simultaneously. Finally, I have a premium metal detector that offers class-leading searching efficiency and accurate, detailed insights and an ergonomic design. The Minelab CTX-3030 is an excellent option for serious users or in-depth treasure hunts. The Minelab CTX-3030 is the most expensive option on this list, but you pay for performance, and it delivers automatic sensitivity and ground compensation for improved accuracy and advanced full-band Spectrum 2 technology to deliver top-notch efficiency. It's made from robust plastic and can withstand heavy-duty use over time, and Minelab offers a solid 3-year warranty for added peace of mind, so you can be sure it's a good long-term investment. The 5-pound frame is heavier than most of the other options on this list, but it's well balanced for improved maneuverability, and you can purchase an additional hardness to further reduce the strain. It's also submergible up to 10 feet for riverbed hunting, though it lacks the robust waterproofing of the XP Deus II. It also comes with a bright, full-color LCD display to see underground objects and customize smart functions, but the interface is somewhat complicated. Likely too pricey for casual or entry-level users, but it utilizes advanced full-band Spectrum 2 technology, which uses 28 frequencies to accurately detect all sized objects nearby with a single sweep. In addition, you get automatic sensitivity and ground compensation to determine an optimal level based on the terrain, or you can manually adjust the sensitivity for improved precision. It also features a target trace function that produces full-color images of detected items, a GPS system to track your hunts, and a smart field 2D discrimination function, which provides detailed insights to differentiate between valuables and waste. The Minelab CTX-3030 is a premium metal detector, comes with a well-balanced design that's reasonably comfortable to use, automatic sensitivity and ground compensation readings, and a range of advanced features to accurately and efficiently detect all objects in your area. If you can afford the price and want a high-end metal detector for serious prospecting or searches, this is a great choice to consider. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.